Gusty winds and heavy rains disrupted life in parts of north and central Kashmir Friday evening, with Kupwara's Kralgund area among the worst hit. Strong winds uprooted tin rooftops, damaging several parked vehicles. In Nichama Rajwar, 2 homes were partially damaged, while a hailstorm in Lolab destroyed standing crops, adding to farmers' distress. No injuries were reported, but traffic and power disruptions were seen in Baramulla, Srinagar and other parts of Ganderbal. The Meteorological Department has warned of more rain and winds in the coming days, with chances of heavy showers, flash floods and landslides from the 14th to 16th of July. Wind speeds may reach 40 to 50 km per hour, and the public is urged to stay away from loose structures and power lines. Authorities have launched damage assessments and restoration efforts across the affected areas.